Hello everyone, and welcome back to Shoplista. Today I will be reviewing this beautiful cake stand. This round cake stand is made of high quality and eco-friendly metal and is sturdy enough to hold cakes, cupcakes, candies, cookies, muffins, pastries, and other desserts. It comes in a pack of 3, with 3 different sizes, 8 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches. These cake stands hold pastries and can be decorated for many events and parties such as tea parties, birthday parties, baby showers, graduations, weddings, Christmas, Thanksgiving, or home decor. Here are some of the different ways that I use this product. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you were inspired by the different uses, get this video a big thumbs up. And subscribe for more honest reviews like this. If you want to get this item yourself, the link will be in the description box down below. Thanks for watching.